Narinig mo na ba ang Baltimore, Maryland? To be honest, nung naghahanap ako ng work for abroad, hindi ko din alam kung saan ang Baltimore. Ang alam ko lang, basta sa Amerika siya at kahit saan na basta makakuha ko ng trabaho. Madalas talaga kapag tinatanong ako kung saan ako nakatira sa Amerika, kapag sinabi kong Baltimore, ang follow-up question is, Amerika ba yan? Kasi hindi naman talaga sikat ang Baltimore and Maryland unlike sa New York, San Francisco, Chicago at Seattle. I have been living here for 10 years and admittedly, Baltimore City, despite na it's called as a charm city, known ang Baltimore as one of the city with highest crime rates in America. But that doesn't mean unsafe na ang buong Baltimore or ang buong Maryland. Kaya today, halika, samahan niyo ako to explore one of the historic waterfront neighborhoods in Baltimore. This is the only section of the city with cobblestone streets, and Fells Point is only few blocks away from Inner Harbor and home to local oyster bars, restaurants, boutiques, and taverns. Now the question whether safe or not. The answer is yes, it is safe, just like the popular urban places in America. Crime is an unfortunate reality of living in the city, but I think anywhere you go, we just have to be cautious and take extra precaution. This neighborhood naman has very close-knit community. There are safe parts of the city that you can explore, like the touristy area like Today Fells. Is actually the Oyster Festival in Fells Point. They have food trucks and stalls selling 10 different kinds of oysters na pwedeng raw, grilled, or fried, and of course local beers to go with the oyster. They do have a section for your little ones to play while the adults chit-chats and enjoy listening to live music and entertainment. I met my friends from Northwest Hospital and the weather was perfect at this time of the year kasi it's just right. Hindi mainit, hindi din malamig. It's been a while since the last time I bonded with them and thankfully they have invited me to join them today. We spent the entire afternoon catching up and people watching na din. As Pinoys, our get-together wouldn't be complete without picture takings. Nakakatuwa lang tignan na kahit nasa city na ay may nag-fishing pa rin dito sa may Fells Point. O tignan nyo, nung napatingin ako sa water, aba, nakita ko, ay ang dami nga talagang isda. No wonder, hindi ko lang alam kung anong pangalang isda na yan. After a few hours, nagutom na kami and we have decided to eat seafood for dinner. Dahil madami yung restaurants around the area na walking distance lang din, naglakad na lang kami for about 10 to 15 minutes. Not bad. This is a good way para mag-sightseeing na rin around the neighborhood of Fells Point. O diba, safe naman din, basta wag ka lang maglalakad alone in the middle of the night along the dark alleys and streets of the city. While headed to the restaurant, eto na daanan namin ang isang fancy apartment condo building na ito with a water view. Eto talaga mga gusto ko at pangarap ko na one day magkaroon ako ng sariling condo by the water or facing the water. Finally, after a few minutes of walking and talking, nakarating na din kami sa Captain James Restaurant. Matagal na din ako from the last time na kumain here pero well recommended talaga ang place na ito kasi ang ganda ng ambience nila, outdoor seating by the water, ganon. They offer a variety of seafoods and most famous of course is the Maryland Blue Crabs. This restaurant pala has all-you-can-eat crabs from Monday through Thursday between 4 to 9 p.m. only. Disclaimer, American restaurant ito kaya walang rice or pinakurat here. So eto nga ang mga in-order namin. We started with calamari and shrimp with of course Old Bay seasoning. Marylanders are big on Old Bay seasoning kasi manufactured ito here in Maryland mismo kaya wala kang choice sa spices na gagamitin. But if you are wanting to experience authentic local taste, you should try crabs or seafoods with an Old Bay. Medyo spicy kaya tell your server to adjust the seasoning for you kung mahina ka sa anghang. O diba, hindi halatang gutom kami kasi ubos lahat ang crabs at mga in-order naming seafoods. Our get-together didn't end there. Syempre, after namin ng main course, meron pa dapat dessert kaya naghanap kami ng isang gelato area dito sa malapit at ayan, kumain kami at itry ang kanilang mga ice cream. I ordered large cup with pistachio and matcha. Mas gusto ko yung matcha mga kabarbs. And that was a day well spent with friends. I hope you enjoyed the tour here in Fells Point, Baltimore, and until next time!